thing I learned from Sir Deo, how important friendship is. You know, family is family. Family will always be family.
Kaya nga naman, pinakasalan ako nung 35 siya. Kasi namulat nga siya. Na ako talaga. Anyway, I just want to thank everyone here, our friends here, and family. You know, you guys, everyone here, we have our close relationship. I can say na we talk, diba? Kahit naman hindi everyday, pero we're in touch. And everyone here tonight is close to us. And we want to keep, hopefully 2025, we still maintain our friendship because we really appreciate each and everyone here. You know, I mean, me and Nino really cherish each and every one our friendship here, and we want to keep you guys because we vibe you. Gen Z. Pero we really, you know, vibe and get along with you guys, and most of you.
So much is talked about when we talk about family, di ba? Lahat 99% ng telenovela tungkol sa pamilya. And rightfully so, no? My family is the most important thing to me, Phil and our 3 kids. But so little is said about friendship. So really tonight, more than our birthdays, we want to celebrate friendship.
Oh, love you!
Nung pandemic, hindi lang naman pamilya yung ka-text natin. In fact, a lot of the people who were there for us, who was there for me, were our friends. And something we learned during the pandemic, sabi nga ni Kim, bawal lumabas, di ba? Something, love you. Sabi, but I think testament sa atin lahat. Mga pala, I miss Sir Deo so much. I miss our friend Sir Deo so much.
Ayan na nga guys, spotted ang Kim Pao sa isang gathering ng kanilang kaibigan na kung saan magkasama sila, nandito sila, no? So, alam niyo yung parang napaka-low-key ng kanilang samahan, ng kanilang relationship, pero totoo. So, ganun yung nakikita ko sa kanilang dalawa. Yung parang very low-key, very off-cam yung kanilang mga kaganapan, pero alam mong may pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Kaya naman stay strong, kapit lang dahil malapit na rin natin mapanood ang kanilang ginawang proyektong pelikula, no? My Love Will Make You Disappear, March 26, 2025.